Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are discussing on overview of nephritic syndrome. Nephritic syndrome is a disease in which there is damage to glomerulus that lead to hematuria, water retention, pyuria, ultimately which lead to hypertension and edema. So it is a disease of glomerulus. What are the etiology of nephritic syndrome? Glomerulonephritis, IgA nephropathy, Wagner's disease, Alport syndrome, lupus nephritis. These are some probable etiology of nephritic syndrome. Clinical feature: intermittent gross hematuria, hypertension, pitting lower extremity edema, decreased GFR, and potentially oliguria. Diagnosis of nephritic syndrome. Diagnosis of nephritic syndrome is based on urine analysis and microscopy. In urine analysis, when there is large amount of red blood cell present, it is known as macrohematuria, and when there are small amount of red blood cell are present, called microhematuria. These hematuria depend upon injury to glomerulus. Dysmorphic red blood cell known as acanthocytes. So presence of acanthocyte can be probable diagnosis of nephritic syndrome. Another points for diagnosis are presence of red blood cell cast in urine, and there may be mild to moderate proteinuria, that is more than 150 mg per deciliter of proteinuria, but it is usually less than 3.5 gram per day. When it exceeds 3.5 gram per day, then this category go to nephrotic syndrome. We will discuss about nephrotic syndrome in later videos. And there may be presence of sterile pyuria with white blood cell cast, all be apparent in patient with nephritic syndrome. Often renal biopsy may be needed for identifying the underlying causes of nephritic syndrome in this patient. Treatment. Treatment for nephritic syndrome may first include supportive care, including a low sodium diet and water restriction. Additionally, it may include treatment of associated issue. So these are overview of nephritic syndrome. In next video we will know about nephrotic syndrome. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe and share.